struggling to get your career going? Ever dreamt of building a career in HR? Or maybe you're already in a HR role but struggling to grow. Without the right skills, qualifications, and experience, you could miss out on getting that big break that you seek. The competition in HR is fierce, but the opportunities are immense, and employers are always looking for skilled individuals who can make a real impact in their organisation. Research shows that the biggest hurdle for early career starters is a lack of experience, and gaining experience is always the toughest part of any career launch. There has been no effective solution to gaining experience quickly and effectively, well, at least until now. We are proud to present our CIPD HR Career Academy with guaranteed remote work experience, your gateway to a successful career in HR. You will learn from industry experts, gain practical experience with real organizations, and earn a globally recognized CIPD qualification. Our online flexible CIPD training and work experience program will give you hands-on experience through a guaranteed work placement, where you will acquire the skills needed to step into a HR role and build the platform for rapid growth within HR and people management. What more? 1 in 4 of our candidates receive a job offer from their work experience host company, giving their career an instant launch. Take control of your future. Speak to our team today and start your journey towards an exciting career in HR. No experience needed.